Right, here's another percentage lesson, and this one we're going to find original values, or value, original value, and also second part, percentage change. Now, the percentage change is where you have a price and a new price, and you've got to work out what the percentage was to change. For example, if we had a £400 sofa, it's been reduced and now it's £250, we'd have to work out by how many percent was it reduced by. We'll come on to that second. The original value is where we have a percentage change. Something has gone up or down by a certain amount, a certain percentage, and we arrive at a new value, and we have got to find what the original value was. So let's have a look at some of these. Do the original value first. Now, say there was an item in the shop, yeah, and there was a 15% increase, and the price is now um, £75. Yeah. What was it before the 15% increase? Yeah, and there you see this in the shop all the time. When there's a decrease, there's a sale on it. It's got big signs all over the shop, 40% reduction, 25% off, and they give you a new price. And you want to know what it was before they reduced the price or increased the price. So what we do now is we know that the new price is £75, and this includes the 15% increase. So the original price, we could say, was 100%. We've added 15% onto it, and we've arrived at 75. So what we can do here is we take the 75 and we divide it by 115. The 100% for the original and the 15 for the increase, and just multiply that by 100, and that will give us the answer. So what we're doing is we're dividing this 75 by 115, which really tells us the value of 1%. So then you multiply that by 100 and it tells you what the original price is, the 100%. So let's do that. 75 divided by 115 times 100, and it's going to be an awkward number now. I'm going to have to round it. £65 and 22 pence. Yeah. So the original price was £65.22. We tapped on 15% and we arrived at £75 for the new price. So this is the way to go backwards, to go from the new price back to the original price. Let's do another one. Do another one. So this time we've got 20% increase, and the price is now £4,500. Yeah. What was it before? Okay, so the 20 plus the 100, which is the original price. So we're going to have 4,500 divided by the 120, multiplied by 100, and we'll find out what the original price is. 4500 divided by 120 times it by 100, and we get 3750. Yeah. Now to check, just to show you that this does work, if I took my original price of 3750 and found out what 20% of that is, yeah, So 20 divided by 100 times 3750, that equals 750. And then I take my 3750, I add my 750 on, and I get 0, 0, 1, 14, 15, 1, 4. I get £4,500. See? So this is a way of finding out what the original price is. Take the price, divide it by, in this case, 120 because it's being increased, and multiply it by 100 and you'll get the answer there. Now, what happens if there's a decrease? So we've got in the shops a sale of 30%, yeah, and the price is now to £960, yeah. Now this time, instead of, let's go up to here. Remember this was a 20%, so we had the 100% there, and then we tapped on an extra 20% to make the 120% there. So this time we're taking it away. So we've got the whole thing there, which is the 100, and we want to take away, I know that's not 30, but yeah, we want to take away 30. So we need to find 70%. So this time, because we're reducing the price, we're taking it away. Yeah. So we need this 70% is this. This is 70% of the original price because we've reduced it by 30. So if we do 960, now this time we divide by 70 and times by 100, we'll find out what the original price is. It's going to be more than that, yeah? It's got to be, hasn't it? Because it's been reduced. So we do the 960, divide by the 70, times by 100, and that comes out as 1371.43, or near enough, yeah. As I mentioned all the time, the question makers think about these things more deeply than I do, and they do this so that you'll get a proper number. I've got like a calculator full of numbers here, so not to worry. But you see, the original price is that. They knocked 30% off, and now we're down to 960. So, so we've got a 12% reduction, and it's now £80. What was it before? So we're going to do the 100 and take away 12, which is 88. So that represents 88% of the total of the original value. So if we do the 80 divided by 88 and times it by 100, 80 divided by 88 times 100 is another funny number, £90 and 90 pence, yeah, or 91 pence, I don't know. So yeah, the original value £90.90, knocked 12% off, and we got down to £80. So you do 80 divided by 88. So you have to remember whether you're going to add the number on to get like 112 if it was an increase, or 88, take the 12 away from 100. So I suppose you could remember this. This is going to be 100 minus 12, which equals 88. And the other ones, they're reduction, subtract, increase, add. 100 plus 20 equals 120. Increase, add, reduction, subtract. Okay, so let's have a look at some original ones, yeah, before we do the change. So this is going to be slightly longer, but bear with us. Let's have a look. Again, pause, have a go, see where we get to. Right, Alistair rents a new flat which is 15% bigger than his old flat. His new flat has a floor area of that. What was the floor area of Alistair's old flat? So this is bigger. So this represents 115%. So if we do 80.5 divided by 115 times it by 100, so 80.5 divided by 115 times 100 equals 70. See how the numbers come out nice? 70 meters square. A local gym has 135 members. This is an 8% increase on last month. How many did it have last month? So it's an increase, so we add. So we take the 135, we add 100 onto that, which is 108, and we multiply it by 100 to find out what the answer is. 135 divided by 108 times 100 is 125 last month. Yeah. Pia has paid off 45% of a loan and now only has that to pay. How much was the original loan? Now this is a decrease because you're knocking 45% off a certain price to get that. So this time we subtract. We do the 1980 and 45 away from 100. Yeah, 100 minus 45 is 55. And times that by 100 and that will tell us what it was. 1980 divided by 55 times 100 equals £3,600. There's a pound sign in there, but I can't fit. Yes, I can. Okay, right. Next bit, percentage change. Percentage change. So I'll write that, percentage change. Now, this is when you'll have, say, a membership fee. Join some club or other, yeah? And it was £42 per annum last year, and this year it's going to be £62. Yeah. So you've got a beginning number and an end number, and you want to find what's the percentage to get from there to there, the percentage change. Now, the way to work this out is always the difference. That's the difference between these two numbers over the original. Yeah, the original is the first number times 100. Now, if this has gone down, it doesn't make any difference. You're still going to have difference over the original. So the difference between these two numbers is 20 divided by 42 times it by 100, and you'll get 20 divided by 42 times 100 is another awkward number, and 47.6. Oh, not pounds, percent. Yeah, so it's gone up 47.6%. Do another one. So a rail ticket, these are always going up, aren't they? Yeah, so some kind of annual rail ticket to get in and out of the big city. It used to cost £2,400 a year. Yeah, now it costs £3,100 a year. So what percentage increase is that? Remember, the difference over the original times 100. So the difference between these two numbers, yeah, 3100 2400 21. What's that? 700. Yeah. So we've got 700. I could have done that without all that, but there you go. The original is 2400 times by 100 And that will tell you what percentage they've tapped onto the 5 by 2400 times 100. And it's 29, more or less 29.16%. Yeah, huge increase. Yeah, 29% increase. Now let's just show you that if it goes down, it doesn't matter. This is not going to happen. So the price of gas this year, we'll put next year projected. Say you're paying £120 a month, and some miracle happens. Yeah, the wars stop all over the world, and everybody starts getting on with each other, and the big gas companies decide to be nice and stop taking too much money. Next year it's going to be £90. Hey, this is good. Now it's coming down, but we still want to find what the percentage change is, and we do exactly the same thing. It does not matter. The difference over the original, whether it goes up or whether it goes down, does not matter. The difference between these two numbers is 30. It's always a positive number. It doesn't matter. You're going to say minus 30, but it's always a positive number. The original is always the first one, 120, and then times that by 100. So let's see what that is, what we're in store for. Divided by 120 times 100 is 25%. 25% decrease. Or change. Yeah, decrease. Or change. Because that's what we're after in the percentage change. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you're going up or whether you're going down. It's the difference between the two numbers divided by the original. Let's see what they've got for us. See how many questions. Don't forget, pause, have a go. There's only 3 questions. 5 years ago, 3,000 turtles nested on the beach. This year, 3,090 nested on the beach. What's the percentage change? Difference over the original. The difference is 90. The original is 3,000. Times that by 100. So 90 divided by 3,000 times 100 is 3%. Right. Magic's car had 12,500 miles at the start of the year. It's now 14,750 miles. What's the percentage change in the mileage of Magic's car? Difference is between these two numbers is 2,250 over the original is 12,500 times 100. So we got 2,250 divided by 12500 times by 100. 18%. 18%. Okay. Next question. The turnout at a polling station 5 years ago was 3,725. At a recent election, the turnout was 3,576. Work out the percentage change. So it's going down, isn't it? So let's 3,725 minus 3,576. I could do this on the calculator, but I don't want to. It's good practice. Yeah, 9. Pull 1 from there. 4, 1. 149 it's got left. So that's the difference. 149, the original was that number, 3,725 times 100. So 149 divided by 3,725 times 100 equals 4. 4% change. Yeah, it's going down 4%. Right. Okay. So there'll be worksheets on these for you to do as well. You just got to keep doing these again. Practice, practice, practice. Okay. So that's enough for that one, and I'll see you in the next one.